Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a detailed review of the DJI Mavic 3 Classic, a high-performance drone designed to offer exceptional imaging and flight capabilities. With its advanced features, robust build, and enhanced performance, this drone is perfect for both professional and hobbyist aerial photographers. Let's explore its features and performance in detail. Design and build quality. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic features a sleek and foldable design, making it highly portable and easy to carry. It weighs approximately 895 grams and has dimensions of 221 by 96.3 90.3 millimeters when folded and 347.5 283 times 7.7 millimeters when unfolded. The drone is built with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability during flights. Camera and imaging. The Mavic 3 Classic is equipped with a Hasselblad 4.3 CMOS sensor, capable of capturing 20 megabits of stills and 5.1K video at 50 fpsa. It supports various video formats, including H.264 and H.265, and offers 10-bit D-Log and HLG color profiles for professional-grade footage. The camera features an adjustable aperture from f2.8 to f11, providing flexibility in different lighting conditions. Performance. Under the hood, the Mavic 3 Classic is powered by advanced flight technology, offering a maximum flight time of up to 46 minutes and a maximum flight distance of 30 kilometers. It can reach speeds of up to 21 meters per second and has a maximum ascent speed of 8 meters per second. The drone is equipped with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, ensuring safe and stable flights even in complex environments. Versatility and use cases. The Mavic 3 Classic excels in versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of use cases. It includes features like Active Track 5.0 for precise subject tracking, APAS 5.0 for advanced obstacle avoidance, and Quick Shots for automated flight patterns. These features make it ideal for capturing dynamic shots in various scenarios, from landscapes to action sports. Connectivity and features. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic supports O3+ transmission technology, providing a stable and clear video feed up to 15 kilometers away. It also features robust Wi-Fi connectivity, ensuring fast and reliable connections for transferring files and accessing online features. The drone is compatible with the DJI Fly app, which offers intuitive controls and a range of creative options. Battery life and charging. The Mavic 3 Classic offers impressive battery life, with up to 46 minutes of flight time on a single charge. It uses a high-capacity 5,000 mAh battery, which can be fully charged in approximately 1.5 hours using the included charger. This ensures minimal downtime and allows for extended flight sessions. User experience. Users have praised the DJI Mavic 3 Classic for its exceptional build quality, advanced imaging capabilities, and user-friendly interface. The high-resolution camera and comprehensive flight features have been highlighted as standout aspects. However, some users have noted that the drone's premium price point may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. Price and value. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is priced at approximately $1,199. While it is a significant investment, the drone offers excellent value for those seeking a high-performance aerial photography tool with advanced features and superior build quality. Conclusion. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is a compelling choice for aerial photographers and videographers seeking a versatile, high-performance drone. Its advanced imaging capabilities, robust design, and comprehensive flight features make it a valuable tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. Overall, the Mavic 3 Classic offers a balanced mix of performance and features, making it a strong contender in the drone market. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.